Watch AI create a student induction and feedback dashboard in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our student data file into Bricks. The upload completes instantly, and now we'll click Create Dashboard. Bricks AI is analyzing our student information, identifying key patterns in attendance, demographics, and feedback scores. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations to tell the complete story of our induction program. The AI creates 6 dynamic charts showing student age distribution, feedback scores by department, gender breakdowns, attendance patterns, and trends over time, plus a comprehensive summary table. Our student induction and feedback dashboard is complete with intelligent visualizations. We can instantly switch themes to match our brand. Now, let's explore presentation mode for sharing insights with stakeholders. This full-screen view is perfect for meetings, presentations, or displaying on monitors. Every chart remains interactive, allowing you to drill down into specific departments, filter by demographics, or highlight particular data points during your presentation. Back to editing mode, we can scroll through all our interactive widgets and customize further. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.